Okay, so Supriya is joining us right here, right now. Okay, so Supriya, goals wheels kaise chal rahe? How are things going? How is your practice and all that going?
Going good, sir.
Happening? Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So good to see your consistency. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, so you're doing things very nicely, very rightly. Okay. So be consistent and be till the end. और अभी कैसे हो गया है Supriya morning habit and all that?
It's going good, sir. Only
Yeah,
one
it's
hour.
all happening.
Huh.
और वीडियो ऑफ है Supriya?
No?
इंटेंशनली ऑफ रखे हो क्या?
Current नहीं है, sir.
तो वीडियो का कि उससे क्या है? अच्छा लाइट नहीं है, यू आर सेइंग? हाँ,
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. सो तो उससे क्या हुआ Supriya? विल सी यू एनीवेज.
नहीं सर, बहुत बारिश हो रही है ना, तो कुछ
अच्छा
दिखाई नहीं.
ठीक है Supriya, ठीक है. ओके. अरे, so we are even having Kanish in the house. Hello, hello, hello. We are already streaming live, guys. Hey Kanish, good morning. Hello. Hello team. Today is what, Tuesday? Yes, today is Tuesday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, a lot of things. Okay, team. Okay. So Supriya, Kanish, both of them are in, and today we will be performing goal achievement live combined together. Okay. Hey Kanish, you're on mute. You're saying something. Do.
Yes.
Hello Kanish.
Yes, sir.
अरे
Good
क्या हो
morning,
गया
sir.
कनिश?
बस सर कुछ नथिंग, थोड़ा सा हेल्थ इशू है बस, और कुछ नहीं.
अभी भी साउंड इज लाइक कोल्ड कॉफ टाइप्स कुछ तो चल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
यार रिकवर कनिश. ठीक है, कुछ काढ़े वीड़े देखो, डॉक्टर से टैबलेट्स ये वो कुछ ले लो. आई थिंक 1 वीक के कोर्स में हो जाना चाहिए.
सर नहीं, रिकवर हो गया, थोड़ा बहुत है, बस ज्यादा नहीं है.
ओके. ठीक है, देखते हैं या. एंड क्या मुस्कान, कहाँ पे हो यार? व्हाट इज योर बैकग्राउंड? बीच पे हो क्या?
नहीं, घर के मतलब घर पे ही थी. मैं अभी वर्कआउट थी.
अच्छा ठीक है, वर्कआउट कर रही थी. और हाँ, और 6:30 बज गया अनएक्सपेक्टेडली ना. 6:30 का तो टाइम ही नहीं था अभी. यार कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है. ओके. एंड वी हैव सोनी एज वेल. हे गुड मॉर्निंग सोनी.
Very good morning. I'm
तो
late.
क्या सोनी का बर्थडे है क्या आज?
हाँ.
क्या सोनी बर्थडे बन रहा है? क्या चल रहा है ये सब? पीपल आर विशिंग एंड ऑल दैट. हाँ.
Yes.
या हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनी.
Thank you so much. Thank
Happy
you
birthday,
so much.
Sony.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, so these 5 people came. Riya, Supriya, Kanish, Sony. अच्छा नहीं, सोनी खुद नहीं आई. So these other people came for wishing, and yeah, there are many people, and yeah, glad to see you. Okay, and yes, Sony. So um, whatever your life journey has been, okay, there are just a few words from your side, Sony. देखो, I think as a personality, you are pretty like confident in terms of क्या life में having something big to be done. ठीक है, तो थोड़ा सा let's share it up with the group, and then we'll be performing some goals and all those things. So like what inspired you, and why are you the way you are? Okay, let everybody know the other side of you as well.
Okay. Very good morning to all of you. I'm so blessed to be here, and I'm so happy to receive all your wishes, and it feels immense pleasure to be with you all. And to start with my journey, I mean, from my childhood, I was a person like who wants to read more, who wants to study more, who wants to like gain knowledge more and more. In the childhood also, like my mom used to tell, whenever she like get up in the middle of the night and see, I will be reading, it seems I'll be going sitting and reading. And
Okay.
also in school, like I like competition actually. If I feel like someone is competition for me, I will not get sleep properly. Also, I'll be working. And in school, like two to three people were there who used to compete with me. And whenever someone comes and say like they are reading, immediately I'll get up from sleep also and I'll start reading. I was such a kind of person. And later,
That's your
I
personality, guys. Yeah.
and later, what to say? Like I like sports and all. I want to participate in each and every activity, whatever is going on. Like in school, I used to participate in basketball and like long jump and throw ball. All these, I have so many prizes in my home also.
Nice,
And
nice.
I was
Hmm.
the captain of my school team. And once we have won championship also. And I went for districts.
Championship in what game?
Like overall points they will give, like in the
Okay.
school competition.
Over and all sports, huh? Okay. ठीक
Yeah,
है.
like along with
Mhm.
March
That's.
1st, they'll conduct on Republic Day or Independence
Mm-hmm.
Day, and
Mm-hmm.
they'll conduct all the sports. We'll have
Mm-hmm.
team names, and from that they'll choose whoever have performed better in all the
Mm-hmm.
all the sports. They will give that championship. When I was
Okay.
the captain, we got championship.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सही है.
And once I went to districts, like basketball, I played in districts. Rangareddy district, I played. And I studied over here itself, like in Gurukul Vidyapith High School, Ibrahimpatnam, I studied.
Mm-hmm.
And what else to say?
नहीं, got it. और कुछ मत बोलो, we got it already. और नहीं जानना है. This is fine for us, ठीक है. So
And
guys,
now
this is what they go.
I
Everybody has a personality, okay? Everybody has a personality, and basically the life is result of how you look at the life. So right from beginning, she's like, I need to grow, I need to learn this, that, and that inspiring ke bhai, even sleep nahi aa raha hai during the nights and all. Yeah, that's a personality, and that's where she has that hunger for always growing, ठीक है. And guys, try to matlab, whenever we observe somebody na, everybody has positive side and negative side, okay? You take any person, no matter how great he is or how bad he is, nobody is like completely 100% good, 100% bad. Everybody has every quality, okay? But point is ke logo mein na, try to look at the good points in people and try to acquire those. And even if you are looking at the negative partner, try to overlook it and don't encourage those wale things. By that way, you can observe and learn from a lot of people. Acha, isme ye acha hai. And many a times, even if you hate somebody, right, in those people also try to find what's the good quality. Automatically, you'll start liking them. Okay, that's the thing. Basically, it's all perspective. What you think. And Sony ke andar, there are a lot of great qualities actually. To many things to learn. Yeah, Sony. Mm-hmm.
one I want to say one negative from my side, like what I have in me.
Yeah.
I
हाँ,
am
बोलो
so
बोलो, पता है हम.
sensitive.
हाँ.
So sensitive that if someone says something to me, even like if I don't know them, if someone says misunderstand and say something, I feels a lot actually. That and like why I'll share one incident,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't say, like I can't tell them anything back, and I will feel inside. My
Mm-hmm.
eyes will say that.
अच्छा.
Like once I was in Chennai, I was going in bus. It was like I was working that time. It was fully packed and I was unable to like keep my foot inside also, like that it was. While going, by mistake I've stepped on like one of the fingers of some lady, like she was 40 or something, I think, that kind of age. She started shouting that too in Tamil. And like you can't even see, how come you can go like this, something and all. She was shouting like so rashly. I could not say anything. I said sorry also. Immediately I said, I'm so sorry, I didn't see, actually heavy rush is there. Later I moved forward, and then I went and sat in a seat, and I was so feeling that I was crying. One girl beside me saw, and that girl have telling her like it is bus, it will be like that itself, if you want you buy your own car, like that. She was telling to that lady. Like if we are what I want to say is, if we are genuine and if we didn't do any mistake, some or the other will support us. and I told thank you to her. Like that, I'm so sensitive, but nowadays I'm understanding, like, okay, fine, others will also be having some problems, they might be telling because of that. After joining here only, I understood that things.
Mhm.
I'm so happy for that.
That's a pretty good thing to know. Okay, it's a really good thing to know, Suni. Okay, so guys, so yeah, it's all perspective. Okay, it's all perspective. And yes, thoda sa um, we have to control, we have to actually understand our emotions. Okay, and in life now bahut types ke emotions hai: frustration, anger, confidence, low in confidence, this, that, mumbo jumbo, bahut type ke emotions hai. We need to have control over our emotions. Okay, and those who are people are able to deal with all these emotions of life na, to wo log bahut aage nikal jate hain. And that's balance is required. Okay, so no emotion of a human should be that massive ki it's badly impacting the life. Okay, even success or happiness wala bhi itna bad nahi hona chahiye ki it starts affecting even in low points also. So those who stay composed in all these things, and meditation teaches that actually. ठीक है, so when you keep performing these habits ना, body एक centered हो जाता है, फिर extreme great भी कुछ हो गया ना, so you would not become mad in happiness. Okay, and even if extreme low happens, then also you'll be like, okay, calm down, how do I deal with it? Okay, how do I deal with it, how do I improve with it? Okay, so that is really required. So guys, this is Sony, and yes, she's sharing some of her personal moments. And they go talking about in our team specifically. Yeah, Sony, so yes, I think knowingly or unknowingly you have been an inspiration, I think, for many people. Okay, so the point is that you putting your efforts on a regular basis, and like, okay, matlab, almost every of the you have inspired many people in a lot of angles. Okay, as far as I see it, so whichever task is there, okay, so you're all into the game. Okay, so you don't leave that task, you put up the scores. And the good quality which you said, right, in your college time also you were like a captain and all that. So here also you try to lead and try to take the group together along with the other people. Yes, there is support coming from others as well, but you try to take the community together, which is a very great quality. Okay, and I think others will also like, but yeah, having that kind of bonding na, so these are really good things. And I think you will really have a very great life ahead of you. It's just matter of time. Okay, so it is
Thank
just
you.
matter of time, and things will be going pretty nicely. So just have that belief, and yeah, whatever uh, improvement areas you find about yourself ना, उसके ऊपर एक एक करके काम करते रहो. ठीक है, so थोड़ा सा overlook what to ignore, what to not ignore, what to consider, वो सारा चीजों पे एक होना चाहिए. Okay, some things in life now you should just completely fine, things are not in our control, ignore it, overlook it. ठीक है, वो भी art is required. ठीक है, everything in life cannot be taken way too seriously, उसके अलग consequences है. So yeah, so I think the more book reading and all that habit you continue, so try to explore about all of these different things as well, and life would be going pretty good. And yeah, you have a lot of aspirations, right, कि author बनना है और क्या क्या बनना था यार.
Author, artist.
author बनना है,
Best.
artist बनना है, IT
Yes.
में job करना है, right, you
हाँ.
want everything to be done. ठीक
Fittest
है, ठीक है,
also.
ठीक है. You need to get started with few
Yeah.
of it. Okay, and whenever you have some time out, you need to try to balance things together. Okay, if I am at your place, I would already be starting daily to spend like 2 to 3 hours on author related stuff and book related stuff. Okay, it's a long time, 24 hours, 6 hours of sleep, remaining time you still have. तो उसमें preparation plus this, and plus you are managing a family and all that, तो I know कि वो भी रहेगा a lot of things. But already try to put some time in, like maybe writing something, छोटे छोटे कुछ तो just blogs में भी चल रहा है, but have your own publications done. And because those things are completely on to you, it's not waiting for some opportunity. So if you are skilled and all, देखो एक फटाक से कुछ बुक्स निकाल के डाल दो about whatever topic you love, basically कुछ भी ले लो, but get started with something. मतलब don't prioritize कि भाई 6 months बाद, 1 year बाद, you can actually get started now only. You never know, IT वाला भी चल रहा है, तो उसपे 6 hours spend, 6 hours there, 4 hours here, 10 hours of massive exercise if you put na every single day. So your life is really going to change. Apart from that, अपना तो program जो वो चल रहे हैं, but try to balance. Yeah, I know कि yeah, your family and all रहेगा, तो उसके अलग ही मतलब yeah, चीजें रहती है. ठीक है, so I can understand all that, but ठीक है, whatever is practical enough, but make weekly progress on these other things as well. Otherwise if you keep pushing it now, वो बहुत delay हो जाएगा. ठीक है, yeah. So कुछ ना कुछ figure out कि कैसे करना है, even art forms को कैसे लेके जाना है, drawing and all that, whatever it is. So and that's what guys, everybody listening and watching, if you have some dreams, ठीक है, if you really want to do something, don't wait for any moment for that, ठीक है, just do it. कुछ ना कुछ time निकालो, do something, but don't wait for time कि future में जाके at some day I will be doing that, because future nobody has seen guys, ठीक है. And right now is the only thing when you can take time. And if you really enjoy something, if you really like something na, you should make some time out and do it. Public bolti hai ki I want to become this, and then they say I don't have time. You have to create time guys, nobody has time. Okay, so if priorities, you need to have the right priorities, and then you have to do it. And that's the reason okay, life transformation, I really want to do this life transformation because it's really helpful for a lot of people, and it keeps my mind in center. Ki bhai, okay, the same things and repeating permanently, I need to install that mindset ki no matter what it is, like I should always think in a one particular direction. So it helps me also like massively. So no matter how busy or whatever happening na, I am forcing myself like back to back season hone chahiye, we have to reach out to more people. So that's because no matter how much the day busy is going, ठीक है, and वो एक momentum रहता है, you run into the momentum. So that's what Sony, I would like to tell this thing. अभी remotely gift कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है, ठीक है, बाकी नहीं gift नहीं, simple है फंडा आपका. ठीक है, but what's the plan for today, like कुछ घर पे special and all that?
We didn't plan anything actually, we can't go out, no, so we'll have fun in home itself, we'll play like that.
ठीक है, pretty good. And you cook, Sony, you cook?
Yeah, I'll cook. Yesterday
Okay,
I made cake also for myself.
Yes, सही है guys. Made cake for myself itself. Nice. ठीक है. And what's your specialty? What is the best thing which you cook? कि सब कुछ आता है?
I will cook non-veg very well. I'll cook chicken.
क्या? Okay. Guys, तो अपने को एक और बंदा मिल रहा है. You never know, right? We don't know how all of us are going to connect. Okay, we never. Right now, everything is digital. You never know. I had some big time plans. देखते हैं आगे जाके कैसे होता है, ठीक है. But someday I think we people might connect somewhere. पता नहीं. Nobody knows how life goes. ठीक है. So वो टाइम पे ना ये सब चलेगा. You will remember all this non-veg की speciality सोने की. ठीक है.
I'll get for you all.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So ठीक है, चलो. Let's quickly run through. Okay, guys. So let's quickly run through the goals. Okay. I want to read out, okay, a few things for you people, which I started applying recently. Okay, I think it might help somebody somewhere. Okay. Firstly, okay, yeah. Firstly, guys. So yeah, we all know about this thing, right? The power of writing and all that. Ki bhai, your thoughts. So we started with our success affirmations. You write down your affirmations, you read through it, it will become true. And guys, the thing is applicable for anything. If you write some ideas down, you read your ideas, it becomes effective. So that's the power, and that's where many great people, they just say ke have maintained journals, matlab book by book. Uske andar keep writing and keep revisiting it. You will automatically get better. Okay. Some people say daily when you wake up in the morning, take a pen and a paper and write down the 10 rules of what you're thankful about. So whatever the more you practice those things, the more better it gets. Okay. So recently, guys, I just wrote down, I was watching some of a video. Okay. And from that, I have just noted down like 10 rules. And guys, there are actually a lot of them available. Okay, so I'll be continuing watching that video and then collecting a lot of other ideas and rules as well. Okay, simple stuff, guys. It is about key in life. Okay, for becoming successful, the key principles, the key commandments, and I've written like around 10 right now, and there are many more to go. Over a period of time, I'll fill it up and daily watch it through, and then my mind will definitely change in a different perspective. Okay, and these were some of the very great people of the world who have shared their ideas and the thoughts. Okay, so it's simple things, but we ignore it. And if you really understand the value of one line of these great people now, and if you really think about it, convert it into result, you will find that great results in their life. Okay, so I just want to read it out to you people. So what I have written down, so it's like so far 10 rules I have written it down. Okay, so the person says, do something you're passionate about. Okay, don't chase hot passion of the day. Okay, basically in your life you want to do something na, really ask a question, okay, what do you really want in your life? And just because somebody is doing it, don't make it your passion, don't manipulate your things. Okay, one day guys, sit down in a deep down thing and really ask a question, okay, bhai, life mein actually kya karna hai? You have your goals and all that, and then re-ask a question, whatever goals you have set, are you really passionate enough and chahiye hi chahiye hai, or is it just because others are doing you also want to do it? Ask some serious question guys, find what you actually want in life. That's the first thing. Okay, and many people talked about the same thing. Okay, in your life, if you really want to become successful, you need to do what you love. Okay, somebody else said you have to have a lot of passion for what you are doing, because it is hard. Okay, and without passion someone would give up. Okay, this is what it is. Life is going to throw challenges at you always. Okay, and itna tough ho jayega cheeze, you will not feel like doing it, and then your passion and your attachment towards that will be the only thing which will push you ke karte hai yaar, karte hai. But otherwise people will stop, and that is one of the greatest reason for success is you should be that involved and passionate towards something, and then when the life keeps knocking you down, your passion keeps pushing you every single day. And many great people are telling this. Okay, the third one, we already know it. Think, try, act, you will fail. That's what life is about. Many guys, when you fail, right, it's easy to say like overcome failure, fight failure, but everybody of us know it. Okay, when we fail, we actually feel bad, we feel low, the confidence breaks down, and overcoming that is a real challenge, right? Whenever something did not go as we expected, it really breaks our heart. But guys, that's an emotion, you need to master that emotion. Okay, just look at it from a perspective guys. Okay, right now you expected things to work, it did not go that expected, so that's where you are feeling low. But maybe right now in the call we have like Sony and Kanish, if somewhere, if my perspective like I want to succeed and usme failure aa gaya, okay, maybe the perspective of Sony and Kanish will completely be opposite of that, and they will be like not even attached emotionally, and they will not even be breakage, right? Matlab, they'll not even feel bad about it. Okay, it's my perspective, okay, something went wrong and I am suffering, so I am feeling bad, my confidence is low, but just guys, it's a situation, and the perspective matters. So for that, my failures, Sonia and Kanish might be like, okay, they will not be even be affected much with that. Similarly, vice versa, if something is happening to Sonia, I might feel, but utna feeling of failure wala feeling nahi aayega. I might feel like, arey, better hota to sahi hota, but I would not get disheartened in my own life. So that's what you need to understand guys. Situation is actually failing, you are never failing, situation is failing there. And then the question is, you need to observe that situation like a third person. Okay, write that situation down on a piece of paper कि भाई okay, failure हो गया, irritate हो गया, fine, just put it out of your brain, and then look at it from outer perspective, and then you should like take deep breath and then control. Okay, fine, ho to gaya, अब what do I do next? But don't live with that failure feeling for a long time. It is tough, but there is a right strategy by which you can overcome it. So this is what it is. I would highly recommend, whenever you fail in your life, yes, you will feel bad about it. Okay, somewhere guys, I have applied a technique. Okay, I came across it somewhere. Person said, define a 10 minutes timer. Okay, 10 minutes timer ke bhai, jitna bura you want to feel about yourself na, feel it. You want to curse yourself, you want to feel bad about yourself, but do it only for 10 minutes. Jitna bad you want to do it, just do it, and then ask a question. Ho gaya, now what next? It is done, it cannot be changed back, now what next? Okay, and that will give you like, okay, now from this point it is only improving. And I would just further recommend it कि वो जो भी feeling रहता है ना, just put it out on a paper, the hatred and all that, just put it out. You will empty it out from your mind, and फिर mind automatically relax हो जाएगा. And once the mind is relaxed, you would be more in a position to deal with the problem rather than keeping the problem in the brain. You outsource it to a piece of paper, you will be able to solve it better. Okay, so this is what is the way of dealing with any failure in life. Guys, the techniques worked. When I encountered it, I applied it. Mind automatically relax ho jata hai. Okay, you're tweaking the mind basically. It wants to complain, give it time to complain, but limited time to complain. And you put those thoughts on the paper so that your brain is not thinking about it 24/7. You put it on the paper and then look like, okay, this is a problem right now. How do I solve this problem? तो ब्रेन फिर अलग तरीके से काम करेगा गाइस. सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजीज कैन चेंज योर लाइफ. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाट डू आई लव टू डू, what I am excited about, okay, what's interesting, compelling me, and these reasons might be many times beyond money. Okay, so just understand, you need to keep asking yourself these questions repeatedly, and then life is going to be good. Moving on, passion, belief, many people talk about it. Okay, next, this is one important thing guys. Emotional investment is what you need to do. Okay, whenever you want to become successful in anything, you cannot be just materialistic or from outer view guys. You need to attach your emotions to it. Okay, मतलब इतना पैशनेट, इतना अटैचमेंट कर लो ना कि चाहिए ही चाहिए वाला एटीट्यूड आ जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, and guys, these are the secret for success. These are like told by some of the brilliant, massively successful people of the world, and this is like simple techniques, but every thought you need to think about it guys. Okay, they are saying attach emotions to what you want, then only your results will be coming. Don't be that practical and mechanical, because it's like mila to mila, even if you don't get it, that does not affect you. But guys, once you have that emotion, okay, Arnold once said, okay, I always have just plan A. I don't prepare for a plan B, because I don't want to do a plan B. I'll just go ahead with one strategy and I'll make it work at any cost. It's a pretty tough decision, but he said this was my reason of successful, because by there is no backup plan. एक ही है and वो करना ही है. One thing and just one thing, and I will make it at 100 cost. This is the mindset which he installed. There is no safety cushion. And guys, I have personally realized, if you set up this kind of target to the brain, na, the brain really gets it done. Your brain is very powerful guys. Okay, I personal life experience guys, when I was into that project, I'm telling you, 10 members project, when it was a leading situation, okay, initially my brain was looking like, can somebody come and help me out of this situation? Okay, maybe somebody can guide me, take care of me so that I can do it, because that's what, when we are team members, we have somebody to actually protect us and like somebody who can guide us and do that. But the first major project, 10-member project that I had, right, it was challenging enough. But वहां पे क्या हुआ guys, there is no somebody to fall back into. I cannot tell somebody, because I am the lead, I am the top of my team. I cannot go to my some senior and say, hey, take care of this situation for me. No, I have to deal with it. And guys, that was the first time where I very strongly realized that when you have that thing, there is no backup plan, no second cushioning coming up, and you have to solve the problem. And if you don't solve the problem will not be getting better by itself. If you have that mindset towards life, na, so automatically guys, in a matter of a day, I started changing my circumstances around. Just I changed my mindset, and then I'm like, okay, there is nobody else coming to save me, and if I don't do it, the situation is going to get even worse. So then I'm like, okay, Tosef, fix the problem. And then I started attacking the problem like that, and in matter of days, everything was sorted out. So this is what I want to tell all you people as well. Okay, very important thing. Okay, no backup plans. You can have that kind of a mindset ki ek hi tarika hai and you have to make it work. Try it out guys, for one thing in your life, at least try it out. Once you experience this now, okay, there is no backup, you are the only person supposed to take care, your life is really going to go great after that. Okay, and then that will happen when there is emotional attachment. The results will be even more, because that's what is emotion guys. Goals ke sath kya kar rahe? Emotional attachment. What happens if you fail? What happens if you succeed? We are trying to attach emotions so that we make it possible. And guys, all the success affirmations are all emotional things, so important things. Okay, next, question a lot. Okay, given everything we have today, is there a way we can make it better? Okay, that is the thing. I remember an incident. There was a person, okay, from some of the top institute, from Harvard or somewhere, some of us extra brilliant in a person, okay, but with a wrong, poor attitude and mindset. Okay? Intelligence without a direction is like waste. Okay? If you're not applying the intelligence in the right way, then it is a waste of gift basically. Okay? So he was pretty sharp student, but उसके दिमाग में कहाँ से ये आ गया कि in the life in the current 21st century, everything is already accumulated. I don't think it was 21st century, it was in the last century. ठीक है, तो somewhere he got that thought कि all the great things of the world are already invented by somebody. ठीक है, air launch करना है, buildings architect करना है, all of those things are already done by somebody and there is nothing more to explore. Somewhere he got this negative mindset. ठीक है, and then फिर उसने क्या किया? Sharp mind but with a negative mindset. What he said? He said कि I will be bringing down the entire economy of a country down so that they again reset back to zero, and from there I'll start taking it up again. ठीक है, मतलब I'll make people fail, I'll make the entire economy, the country go bad, down entirely, and then I'll start innovating and inventing things again, and then I will get the credit for my work. And he actually did that. He tried doing it for a lot of times, guys. He tried to bring down companies, collapse businesses. He completely negatively, he started attacking the world. And with that kind of attitude, now then बहुत उसके ऊपर police case बने, he was undercover, people were trying to find him and all that, and बाद में very smartly he was caught and then he was imprisoned for that kind of attitude. ठीक है, but you need to learn कि wrong mindset, guys, how badly it can damage you people. ठीक है, and this is what it is about. कि ask a question every time for yourself. Given the current circumstances, what we have today, is there something which I can do to make it better? If you just keep asking this question, you'll automatically, the brain will be like, okay, kya kar sakte hai kya? Can we do something? Can we do something? And guys, your brain is about ideas. The more you do it, the more you get better in that. Yes, it is. Okay, fine. Moving on to the next one. Okay, and this is pretty important, guys. Okay, and I want to really apply this technique. Somebody suggested, I have not yet applied it, but I'm telling it to you people because if somebody of you apply, you will be getting the benefit. Okay, somewhere it said ki idea, working on ideas is a muscle. Okay, what does that mean? It is ki the way, guys, many people have this perspective towards life ki if you do gym regularly, right, your body gets into a shape. Nothing but with practice, your body gets into a shape. Similarly, there are many things in life. With practice, you actually become better in that. So it's not about ki whether you're much talented or not. I think if you're naturally gifted and all, you'll be like 100% there. But if you're not talented, if you're not naturally gifted, but you're putting regular efforts, maybe you'll be 85, 90% there. That kind of thing is possible. Okay, you can improve. And like that, guys, leadership quality is all about practice. The more you practice leadership, you'll get better in that. Like that, guys, somebody said even idea is like a muscle. Getting innovation, getting creativity, getting ideas is like a muscle. The more you do it, the more it will improve. And what this person said, ki every single day, whatever are the challenges of my life, I just spend time in pen and a paper to write the top 10 ideas of my day. Okay, initially the brain will be jammed, ideas will not come. Okay, and guys, once I was speaking to my brother, okay, real life incident, I was speaking to my brother and he said okay, while he was in his corporate and doing some HR related work, okay, it was a situation where you need to solve the problem, you need to come up with systems, solutions, and a lot of things. Okay, guys, in your life also a lot of problems might be there, you don't know how to solve it, you need to come up with ideas for solving it. Okay, the point is, he said ki initially it was not working out, but then what happened is every weekend he used to spend 4 hours in just thinking what can be done to solve the problem. Okay, that's it. What can be done to address this thing? And automatically ideas started coming in. Initially it was tough, but then it started working out. Acha, ye kar sakte, wo kar sakte. And then he started implementing it immediately next week and the thing started working. Fir next week again he used to think something and then he drew a conclusion ki whenever he tries to solve the problem, ideas come automatically and then he implements, he gets result. If he's not thinking about it, ideas are not coming. The life is static at that position. Guys, very important learning of life. You need to actually try to solve any problem and ask yourself a question: what can I do to solve a problem? Don't ignore it, don't overlook it. Okay, and when you keep asking this question, how do I solve, automatically the brain is going to work and come up with plans, strategies, ideas, and you need to immediately convert it. And this is what one of a person said: every single day I just look like, hey, what are my challenges for today? Okay, and how do I solve these challenges? Every single day in the morning, maybe as part of your action hour, you can plan it. Okay, whatever I want to do today, how do I solve it? Okay, and then just take a pen and force yourself to write down minimum 10 ideas. Guys, if you're thinking 10 is tough, start with 5 ideas of how you want to solve this problem. Initially it will be tough. Guys, those who implement will find the difference, and I am going to practically implement this one. Okay, every single day ask a question: okay, what do I want to do today? Guys, everybody has a different challenge for the day, right? Something different you want to do today. Maybe job karna hai, course karna hai, ye karna hai, wo karna hai, family karni hai, relation karna hai, kuch bhi karna hai. You have some challenge for the day. Write down a question: how do you want to solve it? And write 5 ideas about it. Okay, I'll do these things. And he said, that person who actually recommended, he said he has been doing it since the past 15 years. And he said, you will find just if you consistently do it for 6 months of time, your brain will become a source of ideas. Given any situation, you will be able to come up with the best possible solutions. Okay, now we ask a question, right? Why are the top successful businessmen of the world able to still innovate and come up with a lot of things? The reason is their brain processes things differently, which others are not able to do it because they have not worked on the idea muscle. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. I would really like everybody of you to implement this, guys. Start with 5 every day. Ask a question: what are the challenges of my day? How do I solve it? And then brainstorm, think about it. Initially it might be tough, but jo bhi dimag mein aa raha hai, guys, your brain is powerful. You need to get the engine running. Just write down the 5 rules, the 5 ideas. I will be doing this to solve my things, and then try to implement that during the day. Guys, whether you are able to implement or not, that's the second part. Action is a second part, but idea muscle pe kaam karo. Guys, a few weeks, a few months mein, your brain will become very sharp. And I personally believe in this one because I have done something like that. When you ask questions, the brain actually works. Okay, if nobody is asking it now, then years together will be gone without any growth. That's what is the tragedy of life. If you're not putting efforts to grow now, the time will just be passing by, and you'll relax. 6 months done, no growth. 1 year done, no growth. And that is a problem, guys. Okay, and that's what I think. Sony, as part of your birthday, either se kuch gift le lo. Okay, implement some of this strategy on a really serious base, and I think the results is definitely going to come. Guys, ideas ka aisa hai na, ye jo bhi whatever we spoke about, if one person is really implementing any one of it na, काम करेगा. And I think ये idea muscle के ऊपर काम करो, guys. In your life, everything will become easy for you. Okay, and I am going to start doing it. So first of all, देखो guys, so this is like what छोटा सा thing है. Idea muscle, work on it, write 5 times. But when you implement, your life will completely change. Okay, and guys, this is what I found about life situation. Okay, things are pretty easy. Okay, somebody comes, for maybe even if you are watching Impact Theory, somebody comes and he says, I did this in my life. Okay, and I have been doing this thing for the past 10 years and I found results. Guys, that person has implemented just one idea for 10 years and he improvised, he got better, but he consistently did that for 10 years and he got success. Right? That means it's not really required for you to become successful. You need to have 1,000 ideas or 100 ideas, guys. One idea is enough to change your life. Okay? Just understand that, guys. Success is very practically possible and you can have it all. Everybody, Impact Theory and all these interviews, guys, एक idea वो बताते हैं कि भाई मैंने ऐसा I applied it in my life and then I got change. Point is, we are not committed enough to implement those strategies. We always like, और बता. अरे यार, रुक जाओ, take a pause, consume it, apply it, see the results, and then live by that. That's what it is, guys. You need to have a habit installation protocol. Okay, that's what it is, guys. Morning habit we have done now. Now all these other ideas which we spoke about now, one by one इसमें से एक उठाते हैं. Let's do it consistently for 1 month and then upgrade that and then acquire a new habit. So don't just consume what should I do, what should I do, what should I do. Actually start applying and implementing it in the lifetime. Be like 1 month consistent, then move on to the next one, move on to the next one. Slowly and steadily, guys, you will evolve so greatly, like the world will never be able to catch you. So don't just keep asking questions, how do I become better? You start applying it, you change your lifestyle, you change your perspective. Ek din aayega, like nobody will catch you, guys, because you have invested that much time. And guys, time is the thing which cannot be caught basically. ठीक है, अगर किसी और को करना है ना, he has to spend, if you have put 1 year into this great effort of growth for others to catch, basically you should stop, and then that person should do 1 year of great efforts, then he will reach your position. The question is on you. Are you ready to stop right now, or next year you'll grow again? That's what, guys, understand. In your life, even if others want, they cannot defeat you. They cannot defeat you as long as you keep growing on a regular basis. That's what life is about. The moment you stop, know it, somebody else will bypass you. It's all up to you. If you are growing regularly, others pura effort bhi mare na, they have to actually do it more pace than you. Okay? And if you're already running your machine on 90%, making for others like 92%, 95% is really going to be challenging. If you're running your life on a 50%, others might run it on a 70%, they will be over a period of time able to overcome. So guys, it's all simple equation, simple fact about life. You define your own success. If you're putting 30% effort, other is putting 70% effort, he will be outworking you and winning you. But if your contribution is like what again, these rock, right? What's his Dwayne Johnson? Okay, he said, I want to be the person, okay? I'm not this smart, I'm not this, I'm not that, but I want to be that person. Okay? Nobody else can ever outwork me. That's the reason I wake up 3 a.m. every day in the morning. I do massive workout, this, that, strategies, brain and all that. And nobody else in the entire world can outwork me. I'm putting in that much of efforts. And you need to understand, if you're not putting that much of efforts, we will never be able to catch such people. That's life. Simple, guys. Simple. It's completely your efforts. If you're putting limited, your life will, somebody will overcome you. But if you're running your game on 90% for others to bypass you, you need to stop. The question is, are you willing to stop? And guys, everything is fair and quiet. The moment you stop, and the moment there are some other talented people, they are going further, they will win life. Okay, so simple stuff. And guys, this is what I wanted to say as part of today's day. And implement some strategies, keep upgrading on a month by month basis. And let me tell you, even if others want, they will not be able to do that. Okay, they will not be able to do that. And guys, Abhi, Sony, that's worth a challenge. Okay, others are not even in the game. Okay, but it all depends. It's possible for every human being. That's the open ground. The competition scope is entire world, but not many people will do it because it needs consistency, it needs a strategy, it needs dedication, and which is the most toughest part of it actually. Okay, so everybody apply this and become your best possible version. Let life change, and you will find in a matter, guys. Okay, one thing I realized, okay, just the last thing for the day, I'll be just quoting it. One thing I realized almost like what, 3 to 4 years ago, when I started reading all these books. Okay, when I started reading all these books, when I started installing all these mindsets in me, okay, one thing I realized, पब्लिक क्या बोलती है guys, annual targets, right? एक साल में कुछ बनना है, right? And then I started comparing in the IT life, we people set annual targets. For this financial year, this is your target. Okay. I want to just tell you people, guys, it's a bad myth. 1 year is a lot of time. 1 year is such a big time, and you can create greatness in 1 year. And when I really understood the importance of time, I really want to tell you people, and you guys are realizing as part of life transformation, matter of 2 months, your life is changing. Matter of 3 months, your life is changing. 1 year is such a big time, guys. If you really grow on a regular basis, एक साल में तो कहाँ निकल जाओ? And others will be like, bhai sahab, ye banda to gaya. So that's what it is. You need to understand. Don't set like yearly. 1 year is a huge time, guys. And if you want to grow, 1 year may every month you can grow that massively. Every week, every day. And ek saal mein to you will become that invincible where others can never even to see you as well. So understand, that's what people come up with excuses. You know what? It's a weak mindset. Ki 1 year hai na, ek saal mein karenge. It's a backup cushioning. ठीक है, I want to become a bit lazy in my time. It's okay to slow down. That's weak mentality, which says ek saal mein kuch achieve karna hai. That's a weak mentality. Okay, if you really want to have a strong one, na, you should be like on the game this week, this day, this month. And you will find in 6 months, you will get what you want. It's all a mindset that you carry, guys. People now, they know it, ke, somewhere they don't have belief that it is possible. And that's why like ek saal ka time dete, and all the people who give 1 year of time, now they don't achieve it in 1 year as well. Okay. So this is what understand, guys. Simple things about life, but can have massive impacts. Okay. So chalo, we'll stop our day here, guys. And it's 7:18 right now. And Sony once again, and have a wonderful day today. TK, have an amazing birthday and keep rising. So Sony, you have some big thing. So 1 year from now, TK, when it is the year 2021, by that, what actually you want to become? Do a serious thinking. Gift yourself. Okay. On this birthday, na, gift yourself and everybody else. Whenever it's your birthday, ask a real question to yourself. Ki yaar, ye ek saal mein kya karna hai? TK. But now, become an author maybe in 1 year itself. Become an artist in 1 year itself. And then break it down. Ki by how much 6 monthly, how much monthly, how much weekly, what should you do daily? Okay. And if you want a job also, all the 3 things you want to achieve, all 3 things could be possible. You need to have the right strategy, patience, and utilization of the time. It all depends upon those balancing factors. Okay. And then you have to practically tally it out and then put efforts, and you can actually have all of it as well. Okay. Guys, everything is possible. You just need to plan it properly. Sometimes you might be like, nahi, ye to over ho gaya, to 1 year mein to not possible, maybe 1.5. Those kind of decisions are also there. It all depends about practically drawing the strategy. But only when you think about it, na, then only this will happen. Okay. So yeah, Sony. So let's see. I'm really looking forward. Ek saal baad Sony kya karegi? Yeah. It's possible, Sony. You need to know it's possible, and you just need to apply the right strategy. And everybody in the house, do something massive for your life today, and monthly grow. Okay, monthly grow. Itna difference ho jayega na ki you will be like, wow, is this me? Okay, in 2 months you have found a different version of you. Now when you convert that to your professional growth, when you convert that to action based growth, abhi to health morning routine ho gaya, stable mind is coming to you, but when you convert it into massive growth na, tab result aayega life mein, tab maza aayega. Okay, then you would be like, aa jao duniya, ab dekhte hai ki what I am right now. Okay, and that is worth living for. Excitement is massive for that. Okay, so at least I would recommend, kuch nahi bhi agar if you find for the day, apply that idea muscle strategy, guys. Kaam kar jayega. And I am really going to follow that maybe in a few weeks. But right now I want to write down all these strategies. Again, you need to understand, we all spoke about this brain psychology thing. If you're not reading it daily, that's where I've written it in my books next to immediately the goals, so that every week at least I will be reading all these rules and then trying to revise them in my mind again. So guys, I'm telling you the techniques, and we have been performing all these techniques. It's all about how you convert to get more impact, right? Lucky was there in the group, right? He started implementing all these things for more impact, and he got more impact. So techniques are there, tools are there. How do you use this? That's where innovation lies. So that the power is always with you, people. Thank you all. Have a nice and amazing day. Looking forward for greatness for everybody. Thank you all. Take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you, Sony. Take care. Yes.